If you're a Capcut user, that is, you use Capcut to edit your videos, you will see that lots of the free tools that we use to edit our videos are now being made pro, that is paid for. And the thing there is the subscription fee is high. Now you will not believe how easy it is for you to be able to use Capcut Pro with these steps that I'm going to show you. Now with these steps, you can be able to access Capcut Pro for free on your mobile phones, on your PC, or whatever device you are using. Now join me, let's go into it. Now I'm going to be showing you two methods step by step on how you can be able to get and use the Capcut Pro on whatsoever device you are using. So as you can see, I'm not using the pro version of the Capcut app. When you have imported your video, you will now put in the effects you want to use or the tool you want to use. I'll click on the video and here let us use relight. When you click on relight, you choose the color that you want to use on the video, then it loads up. When you put it and the feature is now on, as you can see, the relight is a pro feature. What you now do is you can now trim your video. Now when you're done editing your video to your taste, even after using all the pro features you want to use, what you do is you click on these settings here to make your video big. Then you swipe down either on your Android phone or on your iPhone or whichever thing you're using. You're going to screen record your screen. When you turn on the screen record, you play the video from beginning to end. Hello, hi, my name is Samuel. Yes, this is a test run. Now when you finish doing this, you are going to go back. Now the next thing you do is you are going to leave this Capcut app and you are going to open a new project. Now in this new project, you are going to add the screen recorded video that you did. You now add it and it will come up this way. What you're going to do is you click on the video and you zoom it in. Now note that YouTube videos are framed in 16:9. So what you do is you click on the video, you come to aspect ratio, then you come to 16:9, which is for YouTube videos. You've seen that it comes out fully. You now click on it. Then on your video, you click on your video and you zoom it in to fit perfectly so that these line bars that are on it will not show, and also the trim lines, these lines that are down here will not also show. When you do it like this, you now export your video. You can see that the prod which was showing on the other project that we did is no more there. Now for you not to lose all the quality of your video, you export the video in 4K. That is 2K, 4K, and yes, 30 frames per second is not bad. You can increase your code rate and then you can also toggle on the Smart HDR. And then you quickly export your video. After exporting your video, when you head down into your album or your photo play, when you open your video and play it, you can see that the pro features, all the pro features that you used are on the video, and yes, the quality of the video is still there. Now for the second step, head over to the description in this video. You will see a Telegram channel there. Click on the link. It will redirect you to a Telegram group where you can be able to download the Capcut Pro app on your mobile phones. And yes, this is mainly for Android users. If this video was helpful, do well to subscribe to this channel, and yes, stay tuned for more videos. And yeah, you can still check out some of the helpful videos that I have done. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video, and peace.